Hey there, and welcome to this quick tutorial. If you're trying to change your password in the Expedia mobile app, but not sure where to start, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can update your password quickly and securely. Open the Expedia mobile app on your device. Tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner. Scroll down the page until you see Security and Settings. Then tap on Change Password. Expedia will now send a 6-digit code to your email address. Open your email and copy the code they sent. Go back to the app, paste or type the 6-digit code, then tap Continue. Then enter your new password in the required fields. Finally, tap Update Password to complete the process. That's it. Your Expedia password is now successfully updated. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and drop a comment if you have any questions.